Playbook 13353. It's a 2-box break. If there's a Steelers card, we'll randomise. If not, there's no point.
I like heating up the ground.
Like,
around the ball.
Like closer to the fence?
No, as in...
Oh, forward.
Where the ball is. Playing as a midfielder.
Oh, yes. Yeah, so do I.
Forward's not happening this year.
No, he's been a bit off. All right, here we go. Heather will do them next week on Tuesday. Again. Oh, they're nice. Kenneth Gainwell goal line graphs to 49. Mammoth Materials to 99. Tennessee Titans, Malik Willis. To 199, it is Hot Roots, Arizona Cardinals, Marquise Brown. And Trevon Walker, Jersey Auto for the Jags. Nice card there for the Jags. Jags doing very well. Oh, here we go. One-ons.
Good effort by your number 42.
Yes.
Go defenders.
I don't know any of their names. Brian Cook to 49. To 109, Hot Roots of James and Williams. To 99, Sky Moore, Mammoth Materials. And... oh, nice. Authentic autograph rookie patch auto booklet, Breece Hall for the Jets. And that is Playbook 13353.